Hello. Welcome to Class 11 Informatics Practices Learning Python Day 1. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum, and released in 1991. Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python can be used for rapid prototyping, or for production-ready software development. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for system scripting. Python works on different platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python is an object-oriented way or a functional way. Thank you for watching. Like this video, share with your friends and family and subscribe to this channel.